Yes. Now this class is being recorded. Okay. Now this is number system. Why it is echoing? In the last class, we have tried some basics, or we have tried to give some overview of a basic of digital architecture, where normally mathematical manipulations are done. So today we will start the number system. I believe everybody knows the number system. Agree? Or everybody has
Yes.
gone
No,
through
sir.
very basic, very
No,
basic
sir.
Yes,
concept?
sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, 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 okay. Don't worry.
No,
No,
We
sir.
will
sir.
learn. We will learn in this class. Don't worry. Okay. But I
Yes, sir.
am telling one thing. So in the last class, someone requested to share this PPT. Okay. So thing is that our other teachers has consulted and they told us do not share any PPT. Otherwise, what will happen? They will consulted only that PPT and they will never consult any book. So that's why if you want to get, if you want take any screenshot or something like that, it is okay at your end. Otherwise, recorded lectures will be available. You can consult that one. Okay. So it will be unethical if we provide that
Yes, sir.
PPT. Then you will, that means most of the students will consult that PPT only. Okay, but if required any that means if we required that means if we need to provide any materials, we will provide. Don't worry. Okay. So let's start today's class. Number system. Yes. Pointer. Okay. Number system. Let's start. Is slide number
Sir, we
14?
can make notes, yes.
Yes, yes. Obviously, you can make notes anytime. Okay.
Now
Obviously.
only, sir. Just now we can start writing these things.
Yes, yes. You can write. There is no issue. You can take screenshot in every slide, and you can make your own PDF. Doesn't matter. But we
Okay,
cannot
sir.
give any. Okay. Then we will provide material from different books. Okay, but we cannot provide that PPT. That will be unethical. But the recorded lectures will be available because we are recording the lectures. Okay, so let's start. This slide number 14 is available. Is it visible at your end?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
yes, just
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now it is number system. This is our third class. This is third lecture. Now you can see I have written one number. It is 724.5. Now I'm telling it is a normal or conventional number which is normally used to express the number between two person. Suppose I'm communicating with another person, then I will say 724.5. Then 724 can be written this seven. Okay, what happened? This 7 is nothing but this 7. As it is 700, we have to multiply by 100. Okay. This 2 is nothing but this. It is 24. So 2 should be multiplied with 10 to get 20. And this 4 is nothing but this 4. And it is a unit place. So we have to multiply by 1. 10 to the power 0 means 1. So from this we will get 700. From this we will get 20, and from this we will get 4. Then you add. You will get 724. Correct? Is there any doubt up to that?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Now
sir.
No, sir.
we
No,
have
sir.
No,
now
sir.
we have 0.5.
No,
This
sir.
point is belongs to here, but we cannot see any point. That means, but we cannot see any point physically. You have to assume it virtually. You have to assume it virtually. Why? I will tell the reason after 1 minute. Okay, let me virtually. The thing is that then we have 0.5. Then this 5 is nothing but this 5, and as it is a 0.5, so I have to obtain 0.5. So I have divided this 5 by 10. So this is 1 by 10. So from this we will get 0.5. Okay. Now if you add all those things, you will get this data. 724.5. Now the thing is that how to identify or how to find a particular number to be multiplied. That means here I have multiplied by 100. Here I have multiplied by 10. Here I have multiplied by 1. Here I have multiplied by 1 by 10. How to identify? Okay, this is a very basic. Now let's start. Now here it is 0. Here it is 0. 10 to the power 0. Here it is 10 to the power 1. Here it is 10 to the power 2. And here it is 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. And it is 10 to the power something. 10 means the normal decimal numbers we are normally use in 10. Whenever we are speaking, there are or any two person, that means human being is speaking between themselves, then 0 to 9 digits are used. 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many digits are there? You check how many digits are there. Anyone?
10 digits.
10 digits.
And as there are 10 digits, that's why it is called decimal number system. That's why it is called decimal number system.
Sir, excuse me.
Sorry?
Excuse me, sir. Voice is not clear.
Okay, why my voice is audible to rest of the student?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
Yes,
Then
sir.
I think you mute your mic. Okay. So then it may solve the problem. Because I think there may be some issue in your mic. So because my voice is audible to other students, so that's why. So from 0 to 9. Okay, thank you. From 0 to 9, we have 10 digits. That's why it is called decimal. Okay, as it is a decimal, we are using 10 to the power something. 10 to the power something. Here we are writing 10 to the power n. N is nothing but 2, then 1, then 0, then minus 1. Clear? Now, if we extend this concept, I will see this 0. This 0. Let me take this 0. This 0 is nothing but this 0. This 1. This 1 is nothing but this 1. This 2 power is nothing but there is obviously a 2 part I didn't show here. Then in this way we can move on. And this minus 1, or more precisely this minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1, this minus 1 is nothing but this minus 1. If we extend this for general sense, then there will be after minus 1 I will get minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4, and so on in this way up to minus m. And if we move from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, I will get 3, 4 in this way up to n. So it is a general procedure to express any number. As we are normally know the decimal number system, that's why we have taken one example from decimal number system, which is nothing but 724.5. In this slide, is there any doubt? In this slide,
No,
is
sir.
there any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
Good. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Now decimal number system again. So now we have one digit. It is 1745.214. Let's try to express. It is very easy because this 2 is nothing but 2. Its position, it is point. If we use the previous nomenclature, then it should be 0 position. It is 1 position. It is 2 position. It is 3 position. Okay, before the point, and after the point it is minus 1 position, it is minus 2 position, it is minus 3 position. This is the point. Okay, so 2 and the position of 2 is 3, and we are talking about it is decimal, so here it should be 10 to the power 3. That's why 10 to the power 3. Clear? As it is decimal, I have to use 10. As the position is 2, so I have to multiply 10 3 times, so 10 to the power 3. So this 7 is nothing but this, it is 700, so it is position is 2, so 10 to the power 2. 4, okay, position is 1, okay, so here 10 to the power 1. 5, position is 0th position, is 0th position, so 10 to the power 0. So in this way I will get 2000, then 700, then 40, then 5. You add all those data. Then approximately you will get, or exact result, 2745. Okay. Now let's come after the decimal point. Now let's deal those points. This 2 is coming over here. This 2 is coming over here, and its position is -1. So 10 to the power -1. This one position is -2. So 10 to the power -2. This 4 is nothing but this 4. Its position is -3. So 10 to the power -3. So from this we will get 0.2. From this we will get 0.01. From this we will get 0.004. You add all those data, then you will get 0.214. Then you add those two data. You will get 2745.214. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
No, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Oh, one doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, next slide. Now, how to store those data? Because we know the human being can speak or can decode this data in this way. This data can be decoded in this way for calculation. That means mental calculation. The human being are calculating those digits. But in machine, there will be no human interface. Machine will speak between each other. Machine will communicate between each other. So how to store those data? We have to learn that thing. Okay. So for storing purpose, we need lots of block. So out of several block, let's consider over here. This is point. So let's store this point first. So this is point. This is decimal point. Then its position is 0 position. Its position is 1. Position of 7 is 2, and position of this 2 is nothing but 3. Okay. So I have to store all those data in this way. So this 5 is nothing but this. This 4 is nothing but this 4, and this 7 has to be stored in the 700 position, and this 2 has to be stored in the 2000 positions. And you can see all those things will be multiplied automatically. Whenever we will retrieve those data, this 1000 will be multiplied with 2. Okay, by default it is given. Whenever we will retrieve, when we will retrieve the 7 will be multiplied with 10 to the power 2. That means 100. This 4 will be multiplied with 10 automatically. Okay, it is given. Similarly, this 2 will be stored in the position of 0.2 position, then 1, and then 4, and the corresponding indices, that is -1, -2, and -3, all will be multiplied respectively with the corresponding digit. Okay. Now in this example we have four digits before the decimal point and 3 digits after the decimal point. Here we have 4 digits before the decimal, and after the decimal we have 3 digits. So if we can remember this nomenclature, so n will be 4, and m will be 3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's move. So that means as per our nomenclature, n will be 4, m will be 3. Yes, not -3, 3. Now some student can make in different convention. Some student can denote those data by m and those data by n. They can use. Okay, you are free. But thing is that there will be ambiguity, because we normally try to express an something, then dot, then something, then a minus m. It is a standard nomenclature. Okay, so by which we can identify a particular number. So I am requesting to all my dear students not to change the standard nomenclature. You always try to represent the small n, represent the all the digits before the decimal point, and you use the small m to represent all the digits after the decimal point. Okay, do not interchange the position of m and n. The mathematics may be correct, but while checking your copy during any competitive exam, if you use different nomenclature, so you will get different result. So your result may not be correct. Okay? You may get 0 marks, although your process is correct. If we check manually your copy, you may get full marks. But while checking the copy through a scanner, okay, because as you have used different nomenclature, your answer will be different. Okay, so then the scanner can give you 0 marks. So I'm requesting, do not change any nomenclature during your tech course or master's course or PhD. Do not change standard nomenclature. If you invent any new things, then you can define that nomenclature, not before that. Okay. Now we have 2745.214. Okay, so the lowest bit that is this one, LSD is 4 and MSD is 2. It is simple, and this position is decimal point. Okay, in this slide, is there any doubt? In this slide,
No,
okay.
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
I am
sir.
doubt.
No,
Sir,
sir.
I am
No,
doubt.
sir.
Sir, what's MSD?
No, sir.
Sir, what
So
is
what's
MSD and
MSD and
Most
LSD?
significant
Sir,
digit.
what is MSD and LSD?
Yes, MSD, most
Most
significant digit, or you can write also MSB also. You can write MSB, most significant bit or most significant digit. Similarly, LSD, least significant digit, or LSB, least significant bit. Both are correct. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you move to the slide? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just wait.
Sure, sir.
Now let's come to binary number system. Okay, it is overview. We will learn in details. Don't worry. Initially we learned decimal number system. Now we are coming to binary number system. First of all, in binary number system, we normally try to save any data using 0 and 1 only. No other data. Only 0 and 1. Whatever, if you want to express 100, whatever, if you want to express your name, doesn't matter. We will use only the combination of 0 and 1. So in this combination, how many digits are there?
2.
In this combination, 2. Only 2 bits,
Two
only
digits.
2 digits. Okay, only 2 bits or 2 digits. So that's why it is called binary. That's why it is
Binary,
called binary. Okay, yes or no? That is the simple answer. Either yes or no, either
Yes,
0
sir.
or 1. So in this way, as we have only 2 bits, that's why it is binary. In any number system, if we have 5 bit, it will be penta number system. If we have 8 bit, octal number system. If we have 6 bit, hexadecimal number system. Sorry, hexa number system. If we have 16 bits, then hexadecimal number system. Okay, so if we have 16 bit, then it is called hexadecimal number system. If we have 8 bit,
have 3 bits.
we do not have that kind of number. You can define yourself. Okay, I am talking about, that means those which are normally used. Okay, so
Okay,
if we
sir.
have 8 bit, then it is called octal number system. It is normal standard process. Normally we are used, but if we learn the number system in general way, you can convert
Sir,
from any number
hello,
system to
sir.
any number system. Yes, please. Please, what is your query?
Hello,
What is,
sir.
yes,
Sir,
what
I
is
have
your,
a doubt.
yes.
Sir, in the previous slide, you showed that n equals to 4, but I think that n equals to 5 because in the actual notification you started with a to the power n minus 1, a subscript n minus 1. Please can you see that? Yes, a n minus 1 here
Okay, it
in
is
the
n
left.
minus 1, so it should be n equal to 3 then. But the thing is that here, if we, yes, as it is n minus 1, it was my mistake. So here it will be, so n minus 1, that should be 4. So n will be 5.
Yes, sir. But you wrote n equals to n equals to 4.
Actually, I thought it is normally used in an to a minus m. That's why. Okay, so that was my mistake. So that's why, as we
Hello,
have
sir.
written here only n minus 1 digits. So n minus 1 will be equal
Yes,
to 4. then n equal to 5. So in this way, because
Yes.
I have because
Yes, sir. I was saying that.
yes, in this slide I wrote na a n dot 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 then decimal then a minus m. Okay, so as we are trying to express here n, then n will be 4. If we write a n minus 1, then dot 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 then decimal, then a minus m, then here it will be, sorry, it will be m, then here n minus 1 will be 4, then n will be 5. It depends on your nomenclature. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, what is the standard nomenclature? It starts with a n or a n minus 1.
No, the thing is that, okay, let's start. Suppose 2714 kind of nomenclature is there. 1, 2, 4. Okay, this is
Yes,
decimal
sir.
point.
Yes, sir.
This is 0.
Yes,
This
sir.
is 1. This
Yes.
is 2. This is 3. If we
Yes.
if we include this 0, then how many data sets are there? 4 data set.
4 data sets.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to account those 4, I have to because I want, because n minus, because here this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this position is 3.
Yes.
So n minus 1 should be 3. So n will be 4. So in this way, you have to make the corresponding agreement. It doesn't matter actually.
So we were correct. So we were correct. It's 4.
No. Actually, the thing is that it depends on how do you define the mode nomenclature. Okay, if you define from n equal to something, this one, okay, then these positions will be directly assigned to this one. If we define position n minus 1, then these positions will be assigned to this one. It doesn't
Sir, if
matter.
we follow this n minus 1, then for the example 2745.214, we have n is equal to 4 na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, n not equal to 5, sir. N
no,
equal to
both
4, you are
nomenclatures
correct,
are
sir.
correct. Both nomenclature, because one group of school normally use an to, that means point in this way, and another school of thought normally use n minus 1. Both are correct. Okay, you use any one, doesn't matter. But whenever you solve a particular problem, okay, the thing is that we suppose 2714, it is decimal. So from the decimal, you have to start 0, 1, 2, 3. In this way, you have to count.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why you will never encounter an or an minus 1 kind of terminology. The main objective was, before the decimal you always use n notation, and after the decimal you always use small m notation. That
But
was
whatever nomenclature we make, we can make. Just you
Yes,
should
yes.
use n for the left hand side.
and right hand side for small m. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move. कहाँ पे था, मैं भूल गया.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this one. Okay, क्या बोल रहा था? Yes, now this is binary number system. So let's now I want to store this binary number system. You follow the previous slide as it is. Okay, so the same thing is used over here. You just check this point. This point is nothing but this decimal point. Okay, this one is nothing but this one. This one is nothing but this one. This 0 is this 0, and this one is this one. It is a binary number system, not decimal. So as it is a binary number system, I have to express in this form of 2 to the power n form. So that's why its position is 0, 1, 2, 3. So as it is 3, it will be multiplied with 2 to the power 3. As this is 2, it will be multiplied with 2 to the power 2. As it is 1, it will be multiplied with 2 to the power 1. As it is 0, it will be multiplied with 2 to the power 0. Correct? Any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Sir, sir, what is
Sir, can I
the
ask a
2
doubt?
written in the base?
What is?
Sir, what is the 2 written in the base?
What is the 2 written in the base?
Yes, sir. Means 1,
It
0,
is to
1.
denote that the number is in binary system. It is to denote
Yes,
that the
the
number
base
is
is
in
2 in
binary.
binary
it's the
system
base.
and decimal.
It is the base. The
Okay.
thing is, I just told you, it
Base,
is
base.
whenever we are using decimal, we have 10 digits or 10. So here
Yes.
you observe 10, 10, 10, 10. Its position is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this 3.
No, sir. He is asking. Sir, he is asking in the main number, it is written in the subscript 2.
Okay, oh, then you
Right hand
take
side.
this one,
Yes,
right hand
yes, sir.
side. Okay. This
Yes, sir, yes,
subscript
sir.
2 means it is explicitly written in binary, because I can interpret this digit in decimal also, 1011.101.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if I want to express this thing in decimal, then I have to write 10. If I want to express in octal, I have to write in 8. If I want this one into any number system, suppose r base 5, then 5. So in this is the one kind of notation, the right hand subscript. Actually, he didn't say the subscript. I thought this too. Okay.
Sir,
So yes.
shouldn't we use a bracket?
No, it is a notations. You can use either bracket or simple digits, then 2, anyone. In what happened, it is a normally whenever we are writing any word file, it is easy to write in this form, an to the power m. It is easy. So n or an, it is very, because subscript notations can be directly given in a whenever we are using any word file or latex file. But when we are writing in running text, okay, running text, this kind of subscriptions may not be in the proper alignment. To avoid confusion in running text, because the running text means we are writing in using our own hand, then you can use bracket, okay, to avoid the confusion. But when you are typing in the computer, either you can use these notations without bracket or with bracket, both are accepted. Okay.
Sir, there is no
Excuse me,
problem
sir.
to
Sir,
There
use
is,
I
bracket
learned
also.
using bracket
there is,
actually. That's why I asked.
sorry, I didn't get you. Repeat again. और एक बार बोलो.
Sir, there is
अभी
no
कोई बोल
problem
रहा है.
if you use bracket also.
The thing is that I gave the answer. Na? If you are writing in your own hand, suppose you are giving exam, okay, then it is better to give the bracket, because the alignment you observe, the small n cannot be written in this way. This is not a good option, good writing option, because this is n, then you have to write in this way. But while writing in the exam or in class, it is very difficult to specify those kind of positions, because we are not using computer. To avoid confusion, if you write those thing of this thing, whether it will be little bit middle portions or lower portion doesn't matter, we will consider it is always in number of number system. Okay, so both are accepted.
Okay, sir.
Both are
Okay,
accepted.
Sir,
Excuse
Okay.
me, sir.
Yes, please.
sir,
Sir, the number given here is 1011, the two numbers, 1 and 0.
Yes.
But when we multiply 1 with 2 power 3 and so on, it will be
Yes.
8 and 2 power minus 1 is 0.5. But the number is 1011. We'll get an 8, 5 and other digits
yes.
too.
The thing is that I didn't cover those part. Na, I will come,
Okay.
because
Okay.
the digit is so it is saying it is, we are telling that it is in binary, but
Yeah.
human being doesn't know binary. Na, we always know it's equivalent decimal number system. So for
Yeah.
conversion that means if we want to convert this binary to decimal, we have to multiply those things. It will be multiplied automatically. So for showing
Okay.
purpose, I have shown, because we in the next or after 2-3 slides we will learn how to convert. Then all slides will be connected. Okay, let me finish first. Then all the questions can be answered. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move to the next slide.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, that binary point is not given in a box, sir. Why?
The thing is that we never, okay, the thing is that here you can see we have given specifically in one box, okay, because it is the first lectures or first PPT. Now we learn how to that means how a particular digit is being stored. We learn from this slide. Then, because that means our basic is getting clear, how to store a particular data. Now if we follow the same procedure in binary number system, we didn't give that means we do not prefer to give any box to represent the point, because we never use this, we never store this point. The thing is that we try to store only 0, 1, 2, 3 and these digits only. Based on this number, we normally generate what is we are trying to accept, because I want to store suppose 0.2. So this is suppose one box, it is 2, and it is 10 to the power minus 1. So as it is minus 1, so 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 means 2 divided by 10, that means 0.2. Automatically point is being calculated automatically. So you do not have to give any positions of point. It is for understanding purpose. It is for understanding purpose, not for storing purpose. Okay. So that's why in the next slide we didn't give any box over here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Now you can see here it was denoted by MSD or LSD, most significant digit or least significant digit. Here it is denoted by MSB because most significant bit. It is also one kind of notations, or least significant bit. Okay. So next slide. Now I want to convert binary system to decimal number system. Okay, and you remember those things because we learned right now. Okay, so similarly this thing and this thing. Now let's try to come over here. Okay, do not see all those 3 steps. First see only this line. I have these things. Okay, what is the position of this one? It is 0, it is 1, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. Its position is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, I want to, it is in binary number system, so base will be 2. So all the multiplication factor will be in 2 to the power n format, where n can take 3, 2, 1, 0 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, anyone. So this one, what is the position of 1 is 3. So 2 into 10 to the power, sorry, 2 to the power 3. Then 0. Position of 0 is 2. So 2 to the power 2. Then this one. Position of this one is nothing but one position, to 2 to the power 1. And then this one. Position is 0, 2 to the power 0. In a similar fashion, after point, the position is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We have used minus 10 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, to the power minus 3 to multiply 1, 0, 0 and 1 respectively. Clear? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt how to multiply those things? Because just by identifying the position, yes, identify the positions and then multiply. Then you perform this normal mathematical calculation like class 4, 5 class. That means it is 8, then 0 into something 0, then 2, then 1. Then from this I will get 0.5, from this I will get 0, and from this I will get 0.125, then add. Okay. Now this is decimal. Okay. Now this is decimal. Now in octal I can store 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many bits are there? Up to how many bits are there? 8 bits. So that's why it is
8 bits.
That's why it is octal. Now you observe. Yes, now you observe. Here we have double 1. In octal we have also 1. We have 6. In octal we have 6. We have 2, 5. In octal we have also 2, 5. So how to differentiate whether it is a decimal or octal digit? Okay, as we are binary to number system using procedure. Why this procedure? I will come later. Why to give the answer? Okay, so as we are using this procedure, the answer should be in decimal. That's why a subscription 10 has been given. That means 10 is given in a subscription position. Okay, to differentiate between octal and hexadecimal, because the answer is not in octal or this answer is not in hexadecimal, it is in decimal. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next slide.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the question is, what is the largest number that can be represented using 8-bit? Okay. What is the largest number that can be represented using 8-bit? Now you observe, I do not know the answer, suppose. Okay, I do not know. So consider octal. How many bits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many bits? 8 bits.
8.
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
8.
Yes.
8 bit. Now this 8 can be written in this form, 2 to the power 3 form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
here maximum, here 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7. This 7.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Similarly hexadecimal.
Correct.
Similarly hexadecimal we have 0, 1, 2, dot 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 9.
So 9,
Then
ABCD.
we have 10. Instead of writing 10, we write A. Then 11. Instead of 11, we write B. Instead of 12, we write C. 13, we write D. 14, we write E. And 15,
F.
we write F. Okay. Now hexadecimal total 16 bits. So 16 minus 1 is nothing but 15. So 15 has come. 15 has come. Now, how to represent this 16? How to represent this 16? So, in the form of 2, because in binary we always use 0 and 1. So, 2 to the power 4 is 16. So, using 4 bit, I can express all the decimal number. Using then similarly 2, that means 8 is nothing but 2 to the power 3. That means using 3 bits, I can express. Please mute your phone because some noise is coming one by one. Once the noise is overcome, then you can understand the noise is coming from my mic. Okay. So yes, now it is correct. Now there is no noise. Thank you. So this 8 can be represented in the form of 2 to the power 3. So 3 bits. So similarly 16 to the power 4, so 4 bit. Okay. Now here we have how many bits? 8 bits. Okay. So 2 to the power n minus 1. So that means 2 to the power 8 minus 1. Then you calculate 256 minus 1. That means 256. And it should be in decimal because all data are in decimal. That's why we have written in decimal.
255.
255.
Sorry, 255
255.
minus 1. I didn't. Yes, 255. Yes, thank you. Yes. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Sorry.
Understand.
Okay. Now you observe in 8 bit, its
Sir, the voice is not clear.
My voice is clear to other students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please check at your side
Yes,
because
sir.
Yes, sir.
from my side I think it is clear. Please check once. It is a 8 bit. As per my question, we have 8 bits. So as we have 8 bits, so maximum decimal number system is 255. And if we convert into binary, you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 8 ones are there. 8 1. So 8 bit maximum binary number is 81. Okay. So in this way you can, this is a shortcut or trick you can remember. For a 6 bit, the maximum binary digit will be 61. Okay. 61 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the maximum data which can be stored using 6 bit numbers, 6 bits. Okay.
Sir, can you please explain again, sir?
Which one? Which part should I explain again?
This solution, sir.
Which solution?
255 converting into
Okay.
8 decimal.
Okay. Just I told na. Suppose we have octal. How many data sets are there? From 0 to 7 octals. Okay.
8.
Okay. 8 bits. Total 8 bits. Now this 7 can be, because this is 7 is the maximum bit. In octal, the maximum bit is 7. So this 7 can be written in this way: 8 minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have 8 bits, not 8 bits, that means 8 digits actually. It is not 8 bit, 8 digits or 8 data sets. Okay. So here this 8, how to write this 8 in the power of 2? How to write 8 in the power of 2? 2 to the power 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 to the power 3. So we need 3 bits. Okay, so we need
Yes,
3
sir.
bits. Now, similarly, in hexadecimal, we have 0 to 15 numbers. What is the maximum
sir.
value of hexadecimal? That is 15. So 15 can be written. 15 can be written in the form of hexadecimal. That is 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
16. How to write 16 in the form of 2 to the power 2 to the
2
power
to the
4.
power 4.
Okay. So using 4 bit, I can express all those 16 data set. All those 16 data set. How I will come? Okay, I will come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as 4 bit. Now here you observe 3 bits, then 7. The solution is 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Then 4 bit 15. Solution is 2 to the power 4 minus 1. We have here 8 bit. So 8 bit solution will be 2 to the power 8 minus 1.
Minus.
That's
Yes,
why
sir.
255.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
very
yes.
good, very good. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please explain once that what do you mean by a bit?
I will come, because let's start now, because if we move that means explain more number of problem, then it will be clear, because we are just starting. Okay, we
Okay.
have bits, we have nibble, we have what should I say, bytes, lots of things are there. Okay, so we will unlearn. Let's start this class. As we are moving from our next class or something, or if we are moving to next slides, then most of the concept will be clear. Okay.
Sir, sir,
Sir?
Sir, instead of hexadecimal, if pentadecimal is there, then
If it is there, can we express 5 in the form of 2 to the power something? Can we express 5 in the form of 2 to the power something?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no? If
No, sir.
yes, it is not possible. So for computer application or for machine communication, we cannot use 5 number system, but theoretically it exists. We can use this number system using 5 bits for different applications. Okay, we normally use for computer applications which can a particular number system which can be expressed in the form of 2 to the power n format, otherwise not. Okay, for mathematical simplicity, because my name is Sudipto, because it is a universally accepted. Why? Because if someone want to talk to me or someone want to call me, there should be some name. Okay, in machine all things are numbered, all things are being numbered. That means if I want to store a computer within a computer, or suppose I want to store one movie, then movie will be numbered A, B, C, suppose 1 instead of in name. Okay, so that's why in computer doesn't know anything. To store all those data, we need some kind of number system. It is found if we express any number system in the form of 2 to the power n, we can get lots of flexibility. I will come later, one by one. Let's complete. Let's try to move forward. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why did you write those A, B, C, D, E, F under 10, 11, 12,
The
13?
thing
I
is
couldn't
that
get it.
the thing is that this is one kind of example. I didn't start hexadecimal. I will come. Okay,
Okay,
just
okay.
wait. I will come. Okay, just we are in the 19th slide. We have other slide also. Just wait. Okay. Okay, as you have asked.
Excuse me, sir.
As we have, yes.
Sir, so octal number system is 3 bits.
What? Sorry?
Octal number system uses 3 bits then?
Octal number system 3 bit now, because we have 0 to 7,
okay.
8 number of digit. 8 number of digit can be expressed using 3 bit. Why? Because you have to wait na. Let me move forward.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You
Thank
cannot,
you.
because everybody are asking. Na? I will tell. If after completing the number system, if you have any query, then we can answer one by one. Okay, because we have just started. Just wait for 1 or 2 slides or 4 5 slides, then most of the questions will be answered. Before moving, I would like to answer. Suppose 12. Okay, this 1 and 2 is already are here. This 12 can be interpreted in a separate way, in isolated 1 and isolated 2. Okay, so there will be ambiguity. To avoid confusion, okay, that's why we have expressed 12 as a C. Similarly, 10, combination of 1, 0. To avoid a isolated form of 0 and 1, we have used A. I will come later in hexadecimal while teaching the hexadecimal. थोड़ा wait करो, सब आएंगे. Okay, now let's start. It is a simple, it is not the correct procedure how to remember, just it is example. Okay, suppose I have one number system 11011 and the number it is in binary. Okay, it is simple. As it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like earlier slide, I have to multiply 1 into 2 to the power 4. So I will get 2 to the power 4. Then from this I will get 2 to the power 3. From this 0 into 2 to the power 2 means I will get 0. From this I will get 1 into 2 to the power 1. I will get 2 to the power 1 and again 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this one. So you add all those things, you will get 27. It is in decimal. Okay, this is not the correct procedure. You do not have to remember. We will learn after 2-3 slides later. Okay, can you move forward? Can you move forward? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, that
Yes, sir, move forward.
below it is written 10. Please make it understand. Actually, I can.
Please again, come again. और एक बार बोलो.
In the 27 in the bracket, its base it is written 10. Actually, I can understand that.
It is 10 means it is in decimal, na? It is in decimal. That's why it is 10. I can give bracket or without bracket. Both are same. You can see it is written in binary. That's why it is subscript 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Let's move forward. This is not the correct procedure to remember. You do not have to remember. All things can be computed mathematically. In a similar way, if we go for example 2, so this position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one position is 2 to the 7. So from this one I will get 2 to the power 7. From it is 0 into something means always 0. So from this I will get 2 to the power 5. From this I will get 2 to the power 4. 0 I will get, because 0 into something is always 0. From this I will get 2 to the power 2. From this I will get 0. And from this I will get 2 to the power 0. So you add, you will get 181 in decimal. 181 in decimal. It is another example, but you do not have to remember. Okay, so you will try to solve one problem in details. In a similar way, if we calculate, if we do back calculation, how to express 27, we have to write in this form 1284 in this form of 2 to the power n format. Similarly, if we want to express a decimal 45 into binary, I have to express this 45 in different combinations such that each combination can be expressed to the power n format. Out of several combinations, one is suitable. Correct one is 32841. Why? Because this 32 is nothing but 2 to the power 5, because 32 can be written 2 to the power 5, 8 can be written 2 to the power 3, 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, and 1 can be written to be 2 to the power 0. So I have 0, I have 2 bit, I have 3 bit, I have 5 bit. So we do not have 4 bit, we do not have 4 bit, we do not have the first bit. So to include those things in general way, we have given 0. We have given 0, this 0, and rest of the portion 1. Okay, so final result will be 101101. Do not ask any question, because how to solve a particular problem 45 decimal to binary we will learn. Okay, do not ask any question how to remember. Okay, we will learn. Just wait few minutes. कितना टाइम हुआ है? अभी भी 10 मिनट बाकी है. In a similar way, in 76 can be expressed as a 64 plus 8 plus 4. Then 64 is written as 2 to the power 6, 8 as 2 to the power 3, 4 as 2 to the power 2. So it is second, third, and it is 6. We do not have, so rest of the portions we normally filled with 0. So in this way we get 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 and binary 2. Okay. So let's go to the next slide, because this is the correct example how to remember. Okay, I want to convert I want to convert 25 decimal point to binary. You do not have to remember anyway. As it is binary, it is base 2. So you have to divide this 25 successively by 2. So in the first step, step 1, 25 divided by 2, I will get 12 and remainder 1. This is the remainder 1 in the step 1. In the second step, you take this 12 and divide by 2. I will get 12 by 2, that means 6, but there is no remainder, so remainder is 0. Now here in step 2 I got 6. So in step 3, I have to use this 6, then 6 divided by 2 I will get 3, but there should not be any remainder because 6 by 2 equal to 3, so remainder is 0. And you proceed in this way. So fine, in the fourth step I will get 3 by 2 1, then remainder is 1, and here I got 1. So in the fifth step 1 divided by 2, that means 0, remainder 1. Now here I got 1 0 0 1 1. So in this way you have to write in increasing order. So that means increasing order means this one first, then this one, then this 0, then this 0, then this one. So this is written in this way. So least significant bit is this one, and this one is most significant bit, and base 2. So 25 base 10 is nothing but equal to 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. This is the actual procedure how to solve a particular problem when we are trying to convert decimal to binary. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Is there any
No,
doubt?
sir. We have to follow this.
Okay,
No,
no
sir.
doubt.
No,
Okay,
sir.
let's
Yes,
try
no,
to solve
sir.
another
No,
problem.
sir.
Let's try to solve another problem.
Sir. No doubt.
Okay, try to solve another problem. Here, in the same problem can be solved in different way. The same problem can be solved in different way. In the earlier problem, instead of writing 12.5, we have tried to write 12, then remainder 1. Okay, but here the same problem can also be solved in different book. Suppose here we want to convert 37 to binary. So I have to divide by 2, it is confirmed. So resultant will be 18.5. Obviously, I can also write 18 plus remainder 1. I can write in this way. Then you take this 18, then divide by 2. So then 9, then remainder 0.
And 9 divided
Then
by
9 divided by 2, then 4.5. I can write 4 plus remainder 1 in this way. So all things can be done. So you proceed. So final step you will get 1 divided by 2.5, that means this one. Okay, so final result will be 1. So this one, then accept this 0, then accept this 0, then this one, then this 0, then this one, and final result. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this problem. Any one procedure you can apply, either decimal notation or directly remainder notations. Okay, what is the query?
Sir, we could start by subtracting the nearest power of 2 from 37, right? Like
nearest power of
37.
you do not have to find the nearest power. Whatever the value which will be given in the decimal, you have to start by division from that digit only. You do not have to find the nearest data. The mathematics will calculate automatically. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
In exam also we have to do the same step like
You can do any procedure, doesn't matter. I can solve a particular problem in several ways. Out of lots of procedures, 1 or 2 procedures will be taught in the class. You can use other procedure also, but your procedure should be correct. Then only you can get full marks. If you follow MIT's lecture, but the procedure is totally wrong, but still you are claiming, as I have read from MIT's lecture, you have to give marks. I will never give you marks. Okay, your procedure has to be correct. Then doesn't matter whether it is taught in the IISc lecture or IIT lecture or in NIT Rourkela lecture. I will give marks. Okay.
Hello, sir. We will
Yes.
always write most significant to least significant, sir.
You do not have to write. It is for understanding purpose. Okay. If your particular problem is given, you solve your problem by yourself and finally write the answer. We'll never bother whether you are writing MSB or LSB. Okay.
So what
So
about
we
decimal
convert it-
numbers?
what about?
We will divide it by 8.
Decimal numbers like floats 13.2 or something like that.
2 will not come, no, sir. 2 will not come. Only 5 will come in the 2.
I didn't get you because here I have just shown na, you can either write this 25 divided by 2. I can write either 12 plus remainder 1 in this way, or you can also write 12.5, but you have to segregate the remainder portion. Here we are trying to segregate the remainder portion. You observe? Then up to 18 we got the divisor, so then we have to take 18, then we have to divide it. Okay.
No, sir. I'm saying we have for 52.4 as a decimal number. And
52.4. Yes.
Yes, and we need
Okay.
to convert it to binary.
Okay, it is a very good question, but before asking the question, just focus whether I have consulted any decimal number or yes or no. I believe
Okay,
no,
sir. Okay, sir.
because
Okay, sir.
it will
We'll
be taught
wait.
in the future. Okay, you wait.
Okay.
So all are covered. Don't worry. Sorry. So it is already told. So so it is now hexadecimal. So it is. Let's start hexadecimal. But the thing is that it is already 2:10. We cannot continue our lecture because you can have another class. Do you have any other classes, or we can continue?
Sir, we have biology class.
Classes are there.
Yes. Okay. You have
Sir,
the
there
class.
is
So
one.
let's
Yes, sir.
stop this class. Okay. Let's stop this recording also. So this recording will be available in